Hello and welcome dear kids to our computer class. Children, I hope you all are healthy and learning well at your home. We are studying our chapter 5. Name is Editing Text in Word 2010. Today we are going to start from the topic Inserting the Text, which is given on page number 44 in your computer textbook. So open it. Let's start our today's study. Our first topic is inserting the text. Insert means to add. MS Word allows the user to add new text to an already existing document. It means we can add or insert text in already existing means already saved document anytime. As you can see on the screen, here one window is given. In this, here you can see cursor is there. Yes, this is vertical line is called cursor. So if I want to add text here, then I have to click at this point where I want to add the text. If you want to add or insert text here, then you have to click and take your cursor here. Then and only then you can add the text here. So this way you can insert or add text in your document. Let's see practically how it works. To insert the text, follow the given steps. Place the cursor to the right of the character where you want to insert the text and then start your typing. The existing text which is present after the cursor will be shifted to the right side. Here you can see I place the cursor first here because I want to add text from here. Then after I will start typing. So place the cursor. So it is the text shifted to the right side and typing going on continue. So this way you can insert text in between or anywhere in your paragraph by just putting the cursor where you want to add or insert the text. Our next topic is moving the text. We can move the text from one location to a new location using cut and paste options. Here you can see on the screen word window is given. In this, in the home tab, here home tab is open. In home tab, in clipboard group, cut option is available. So using this cut option, we can cut our text and place it to another location. So this way we can move our text from one location to another location in our document or in other document. Okay. For this you can also use shortcut key from the keyboard, which is Ctrl plus X. Use Ctrl and X key both together to cut your text from the document. After cutting the text, it will be disappear because it is cut. And now place your cursor at the location where you want to paste the text. After put your cursor at that location, you have to click on the paste option, this. Or you can also use shortcut key, which is Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V combination is shortcut key for paste. So after paste this, you can see your text is available on the location where you paste it. Now let's see practically how can we cut and paste our text and move that. To move the text, follow the given steps. Select the text that you want to move. Now click on the cut button in the clipboard group on the home tab or press Ctrl X shortcut key from the keyboard. Now the text disappears from the document and is temporarily. Position the cursor at the location where you want to place the selected text. Click on the paste button or press Ctrl plus V shortcut key from the keyboard. The selected text appears at the desired location. Children, our next topic is copying the text. Copy and paste options are used to duplicate the text. It means copying the text make another copy, means another copy of our text and make two. We can copy the text not only from one location to another within a document but also from one document to another. It means we can copy the text and put it to another document also. This feature helps in reducing our time and effort in typing. We can, if we want to type same sentence or same paragraphs more than one time, then we can copy that paragraph or sentence. This way we can reduce our typing effort. Here the shortcut key of copy is Ctrl plus C. Here the difference between cut and paste and copy and paste is only one, that when we cut and paste our text, it will be removed from its original location and paste it to the new location. We get only one copy of the text. And while we are using copy and paste, the text is remain at its original location and we get another duplicate copy of that text. So we get two copy of that text. So this is the main difference between cut paste and copy paste. Now here on the screen you can see you will get copy option same in the home tab in the clipboard group. Below the cut option, this is copy option. Yes, you can see highlighted in the yellow color, this is copy option. The shortcut key of copy is Ctrl plus C. You can use Ctrl and C key combination from keyboard if you don't want to click on that option. This is the shortcut key for copy. And after copying the text, we have to paste it to another location. Okay. Now let's see practically how can we copy and paste our text. To copy the text, first select the text that you want to copy. Select that. Now click on the copy button in the clipboard group on the home tab and press Ctrl C. A copy of the selected text is placed on the clipboard. You can see. Now position the cursor at the desired place and click on the paste button in the clipboard group on the home tab or press Ctrl plus V shortcut key from the keyboard. The copied text appears at its new location in the document. You can see on the screen our text is pasted and copy the option make two copies of our text. So this way we can copy our text and the text which we have copied, it's remain at its original location. Okay, and we got two copies of that text. Our next topic is deleting the text. Word provide us the facility to erase the text, means to delete, or we can remove the text from the document. We can erase the text using delete key from the keyboard. You can also use backspace key and it removes the letter to the left of the cursor position. Now you can see on the screen keyboard is given and in keyboard where is the delete key? Here you can see this is delete key. For delete any text you have to first select that text, then after you can press delete key from the keyboard, this key. You can also remove text using backspace key. This is backspace key. The difference between these two keys is backspace key removes the letters to the left of the cursor position. Okay, it can be understood when we see practical. So let's see practically how can we delete text. Follow these steps to delete the text. Select the text. Then press the delete key from the keyboard. The selected text will be removed. You can also delete text by using the backspace key. It removes the character to the left of the cursor as you can see on the screen. To delete a block of the text, select text and then press the delete key. Children, this much study for today. If you have a computer at your home, then please practice these 3 cut, copy and paste option and also delete option at your home and do practical of it. And if you don't have it, then don't worry. When school will open, we will practice this in our computer lab. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.